Meesho Q3 FY26 results, placed orders saw 36%, but what about profitability? Meesho has continued its growth trajectory in Q3 FY26, driven by strong adoption across both new and repeat users. Placed orders for the quarter reached 690 million, reflecting a 36% increase compared to the same period last year. This demonstrates not only the expansion of the platform's user base but also the strengthening of repeat purchasing behavior, with users transacting an average of 9.78 times, up 9% year. The platform now serves 251 million annual transacting users, making it India's largest e-commerce platform in terms of both user base and placed orders. Meesho's focus on democratizing e-commerce is evident from its technology-led innovations, which include low-bandwidth optimized applications, vernacular language interfaces, and AI-driven recommendations for new consumers. These features improve conversion rates, particularly in previously underserved regions, lowering entry barriers for first-time e-commerce users. Net merchandise value (NMV) stood at 10,995 crore rupees for the quarter, marking a 26% year growth. Seasonal shifts in Diwali timing slightly affected the Q3 comparison, but when combined with Q2 FY26, the festive NMV totaled 21,510 crore rupees, growing 37% year. This shows that Meesho's growth is resilient and driven by underlying consumer demand rather than seasonal spikes alone. The company's asset-light model continues to generate positive cash flows. Free cash flow for the last 12 months was 56 crore rupees, supported by efficient working capital management and minimal capital expenditure. The cash balance as of December 31, 2025, stood at 7,277 crore rupees, which includes 4,088 crore rupee raised through its IPO. This positions Meesho to continue investing in platform expansion, logistics infrastructure, and technology enhancements without straining its balance sheet. Other income for the quarter, reflecting non-core operational gains, further strengthened the profitability profile, supporting the platform's disciplined growth approach. This is complemented by increased participation from leading brands such as Dabur on Meesho Mall, enabling a wider product assortment at competitive pricing across India. Meesho's strategy of driving affordability and accessibility is reinforced by the integration of advanced recommendation algorithms and improved voice search capabilities. These initiatives ensure that even first-time users in low-income or regional markets can navigate the platform efficiently, leading to increased engagement and higher order frequency. Looking ahead, the company expects this growth momentum to continue. With a rapidly expanding user base, growing annual order frequency, and robust free cash flow, Meesho is well positioned to capture additional market share in India's e-commerce ecosystem. The combination of technology, accessibility, and operational efficiency makes it likely that the platform will sustain growth even as it scales further. This performance highlights the potential for Meesho to continue building long-term habits in users and scale its marketplace efficiently. Overall, Meesho is combining scale, technology, and affordability to build a sustainable e-commerce platform, demonstrating strong growth across users, orders, and merchandise value. Investors will be watching closely how the platform continues to monetize and maintain operational efficiency going forward. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.